Finger COILS. I'm using Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Curling Cream and their Honey Curl Forming Custard. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna get like a medium small piece. Finger detangle that while you're at it. Get you enough of the cream, the curling cream, to cover the whole hair strand. Finger detangle that. Gets you about the same amount of gel to cover it as well. So now after you smooth it, you're gonna twist at the root. This just so you can tighten up the root better and keep it from being as frizzy. Now I should be tying my hair down so it won't get in my way, but I'm not. Okay, so then you wrap your hair around your finger. It's kind of like when you're twisting your hair and you twirl the ends, except for you're kind of twirling the whole thing. After you are twisted at the roots, you're holding the hair so that it stays tight at the root while you continue to twirl your hair around your finger. Then you should get to the end of it and it should look like this. Your end should look like that. You just continue. My hair shrinks a lot, so I just felt like if I went with a medium piece, it shrunk less than when I went with a smaller piece, because I tested this out beforehand just to see which way would look better. I don't know, the super tiny ones, you couldn't see them too good. So I'm twirling this around after I already twisted the hair at the root. And I'm done. Finger detangle. Add your cream. Add your gel. Twist at the root. Hold your hair and twirl the rest. You just keep twirling it until it feels like you made it to the end and it all the way got twirled. Voila! Now I'm sure you heard this before, but they say to layer it in a bridge pattern so that your hair covers up your parts. Because parts don't look too good for some reason. They just don't, I don't like seeing all the skin and the scalp and stuff. When you do the brick pattern, it's when you have hair right here, and then you'll do your next piece of hair in between those two so that they stack and layer. Alright, so a good example of that is how we're right here. There's a hair in between these two twists. This one is right between these two. So now this one's gonna come between that one just to cover up this gap of scalp here. Because we don't want gaps. No gaps on the scalp. So I'm gonna just finish up this side of my hair and then I'll come back. Did y'all know that y'all can copyright houses? I did not. Comment below if you did though. I don't know why, but the hair up here in the front, it's more stubborn, so it's not even staying up close to the root. It's more fuzzy. I really don't know. See it? We're just gonna ignore it for now and come back later and see what happens. But yeah, the majority of this hairstyle is just twirling your finger around. But I have been doing this for about, I want to say over an hour and 30 minutes. That's not too bad. I think if I went way smaller, this would have been torturous. But you want to know something that's even crazier? Well, since you asked, it's like 3:15 in the morning. 3:15 a.m. Who washes their hair at 12 a.m.? 12:30 a.m. I don't know. This hairstyle is complete. As the hair continues to dry, the white stuff won't be on my hair anymore. But look how defined, sleek, crisp, I don't know how you want to say it, lack of frizz. The ends look amazing. It took me only 2 hours. You know, that's nothing, right? That's nothing. And I am proud to say that I kept this style up for 2 weeks. Yes, I can, so you can too. Comment below if you're gonna try this style. As always, subscribe to join the Denisha tribe. See you later, naturalistas. So when I say brick, I think I said bridge, but when you do brick, when you do brick, wait, when you do the bridge pattern. But when you do the bridge, I'm sorry, I'm getting distracted. But anyway, when you do the bridge pattern,